Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix street races do not track completion. After you finish the races, it will be no, as you can see here, I just finished and there is no finish or win thing here. So first what you need to do here, you need to just change filter to these races here, seasonal events. And then you will see, basically this is the championship race. So first you need to complete other two in order to complete and get the car. So as you can see here, there is with a different badge, this one and also this one. I already completed the street races with this method. So what you need to do here is with the street races, you need to complete basically races with a badge that is red outlines with a white background. And after you finish first or here, then you can go and complete the street race that is with the basically similar badge here. And that's all you need to do here.